I did. I finished my tea this morning. Sorry. That was some intrusive thoughts that just took over there. My bad, my bad, my bad. What's up, guys? Let's get this party started. I'm very nervous about the fact that this is just taking off. Literally, this just... What is this? What is this? I actually don't think I'm gonna be able to get any trades in today, purely for the fact that this is running away. And this very well... I don't know now. It is at all-time highs. It is literally at all-time highs, which is fun. So what I'm not knowing is the fact that this could now just chop. Normally if it runs away like this pre-market or pre-New York Open, New York tends to be choppy. So is that what we're gonna now see? This is literally... This is insane. Especially this movement for all-time highs. I know I haven't obviously experienced all-time highs that often before, but this is certifiably, there we go, English, insane. But that being said, I guess in this situation, especially with all-time highs, you kind of gotta stick with trend as friend, right? It's low-key what I think I'm just gonna have to end up doing. Trend as friend. Let's see what happens at open. We do have plenty of time still, but we're gonna go with trend as friend right now. That is literally all we can do. Let me mark out London low quick sticks as well, which is like... Is where I entered actually... No, there's London low. There's London low right by the daily opening gap. I mean, this just... This just went over 300 points up. Literally. 350 points up. A little bit more here and there. Alrighty then. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. I feel like I almost don't even have to close this because... Oh well, let's see what we get, right? That's all we can do now. Okay. Trend is friend until it's not. Trend is friend. This is all-time highs. I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something. Something magical. Off to the left there, but this is all-time highs. Ain't nothing we're gonna see there. Sure. This is just an imbalance and a half. What's up, Atlanta? What's up? How are we doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good evening to you. Atlanta, have you had a look at the charts? What are your thoughts? Do you think New York is actually just gonna chop now that London just went for it? I don't know where it was going, but it went there on a mission. It's going there quickly. Just got out the shower, about to get this thing going. Nice. My computer's not coming on until about 9:28. Oh, to stop you taking any trades. Smart. Real smart. This is certifiably insane right now. Literally insane. Let's see if I was correct with the dump. If it's gonna dump, it's probably actually gonna run away without me. Let's see if I can actually get any trades in today. Hey, Tools, what's up? How you doing? New York will probably be slow at the beginning and pick up speed around 12:30 and then die off the rest of the day. No, well, that's not fun for me. No, is it, Atlanta? Chill, dude, you were on the huge impulse? No ways. No ways. You freaking got in on that. Well done. I'm hoping you got in, like, you weren't on the wrong end of that impulse. Hope you got some good longs this session. Do you still think it's gonna go? I guess trend is friend until it's not. I have to keep reminding myself about that. I keep looking at all these imbalances thinking it has to go back. It don't has to do anything, right? Scheduled to come out today as well. Oh gosh, okay. There's a little bit of a retracement. But trend is friend, right? Trend is friend. Look at this thing! And what's wild to me, this would be the range. Turn on now, it's not gonna be that chaotic, but... that is just too massive. I can't even take that trade. I can't even pretend to take that trade. Let's see. Back to 1 minute. This is about to be very entertaining. Seriously. I told you to stay away until after hours today. Yeah, I know, but this is we trade the New York Open. Maybe I don't get a trade in, and it is what it is. You know, I am green for the day. Makes no difference to me. Obviously, it'll make me sad, but it still makes no difference to me. It's basically just went up 3 bob levels from when I left. Where did I leave? Around here, hey? Yeah. I'm sorry, pickups. Yeah, I left around here. So ID. It is Friday. My English has depleted, so you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. I'm so sorry. I do see that it did kind of mess around a little bit, and then it just went bob to bob. Straight up bob to bob. Messed around. Just shy of this bob to bob, but once it's taken out so many, you want to close it like 10 points. So essentially this went 3 bob to bob levels. 2. No, 3. What? Yeah, 3. 3 bob to bob levels. That's insane. Very dinky. 26520 and exit to 2640 to give you perspective. Damn, tools. I feel like we have the same thing as far as ranges go, but minus dynamic and fluid. What do you mean by that, Atlanta? Meaning it's automatically adjust based on VWAP bands. Oh, okay, that makes sense. What's up, Peter? How you doing? Sorry, I saw an update about my horse. Let me answer that now. The Irish, British, Chinese, English, right? Yeah, no, 100%. That's what this is. It's my English is just beautiful. It's a 4-hour trade. I sent on this good on champ. It was on gold. It was huge anyways. Oh, is that the trade? Yep. Amazing how all those institutional levels work with no information at all times. I was thinking the same thing, Bob. It's actually scary. You can see how they stop at the institutional levels and then break above. It's actually a little bit terrifying, almost, how accurate it is. Hey, Jump here. What's up? How you doing? Bye. Okay, so you're saying it's just buys everywhere? But all the best. I'll join in again on Monday. Hope you have a good session. Aw, cheers, Tools. Thanks for joining in to say hi. I appreciate you. I'm trying to think now. No, are you actually being serious? No, I'm not. I'm literally just half Portuguese. That's why I realized that indicator for people to see for themselves. They are no joke, yeah? No, it's scared. It's scared. That's not scared, it's scary. That was the English. I mean, check out, kind of had a little bounce off of it now. Hey Gagan, what's up? How you doing? Are we then... I have no expectations now for whatever New York Open is gonna bring. Literally zero. Hello from Russia. What's up? How you doing? Hello from South Africa. I hope you're doing amazing. To anybody that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How you doing? Are you guys good? $9.25. Okay. Okay. I'm mentally preparing myself for chaos today. Whether it be chaos sideways or chaos with it just running away. My goal still stands of only taking an A+ setup. That's it. That is the only thing. Oh, okay, Adelaide. I was just checking. I was like, wait. Hey, Green Globe. Limit order set and blam. I'm so green glad I didn't set a TP. Wow. No ways, Louis. Wait, I'm assuming you meant for a buy, or did you take a sell here and just... Now you're riding the wave down? How you doing, Louis? How's it going? 9:27. 3 minutes to go. I just woke up. Nice. How was your sleep? Did you have a trailing stop loss or something? How did you have it? What did you do, Louis? Is this retracing or is this just the start? I've already placed the limit buy at 26646. Okay. Hopefully it works. You guys are fun today. Make sure you stay focused and ease in there. Much success to you all today. Aw, thanks Atlanta. Enjoy. Thanks for hopping on. Holy guacamole. Why is this going absolutely crazy before the markets have even opened? No one, just quick one. You all-time high made. Wait for the sell-off. Thank me on Monday. Good luck. Oh, Debbie, what's up? Hi and bye. Where you going? Where you going? So Debbie, you still think this is gonna go down? I think a lot of people are gonna be scared to trade this. Yeah, I really have a feeling a lot of people are gonna be a little bit scared to trade this today. Hey, Francis, I did not because I only hopped on now. I did catch a little buy earlier, but back when we were still kind of moving slowly, like a lot earlier. I didn't catch this absolute mayhem that happened. Wow. Can you imagine if I did? Oh, I would be sitting pretty right now. No more worrying about freaking drawdown. I said about 557, it never came back to stop me out. No TP set. Have you closed now then, or are you just gonna keep it open? Like what's the plan? Are you gonna stop while you're in a lot of green, or are you gonna wait? 30 seconds to go. Oh, you closed out already, okay. Oh wait. Sorry, that's Francis. I want to see what happens in 30 seconds. Yep. Are we ready for that, actually? 14. 10 seconds to go. I'm curious. 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Come on, with the moves you've been making. Expected something bigger for the opening candle. Good grief. This might be it trying to tell us that we're about to be chop city. Ooh, here we go. Going bob to bob again? Nope. Not quite. Ten seconds to go. Three, two, one. It's not a great doji to open with. Okay. Shoot, I hope I wasn't correct in saying that now New York is actually just going to be choppy because of how much movement we had. Ugh, why am I saying New York? Sorry, it's 9:30 because I was talking about New York. Oh man. We might just see Chop City happening until either the PM or even then, maybe even Monday. With how hectic London moved, I won't be surprised. Those $1 billion IPOs are confirmed releasing into the market today. You don't know what time though, right? Closed at 680. Ah. Life pedal 13 times in 4 days. Damn! 13 times? What on earth? What's happening with cattle? That's insane. Let's see. I'm gonna break below the 930. I think we are. I think this is gonna go back down to bob level. Could be wrong though. Are we missing a candle here? Yeah, we are. Okay. We are missing a candle. I was about to say, also, this is a massive volume imbalance, but we are missing a candle. This Traderify having a moment. Yeah, a little break below. The short here. Bob, do you know what was actually really funny? I was thinking about this, like placing a stop below these wicks. Don't know where I would have put, even if I put it there. I was considering it when it broke, but it would have happened pre-market. I'm not a fan of pre-market. Hey Virgil, what's up? How you doing? Did you enter in on the retest, Bob? I wasn't fast enough setting my limit. No! Oh no, so you missed. I thought you were telling me that I missed the short. I was looking at it going, I know, it's gonna go bob to bob. No! No! Where would you have placed it though? A little bit higher up here. Ah, beautiful bob to bob action right there. Mwah, little chef's kiss to start the day. Are we gonna go back up now? We might be going back up now. So if we all shorted, right? What's up, OTT? How you doing? There goes 500 bucks. It's your 6 hour chart. 6 hour, good grief. Don't even go and check the 6 hour chart. Is this going back up? Bob, this might be going back up. I don't know though. Okay, tapping into the 930. How are we looking? Here's the 5 minute. The 5 minute chart is basically a freaking bob to bob level. Alrighty then. We just tapped 15-minute bullish order block. Yeah, so bob's bob back up. No, this is the going down part. You think so? Oh, Virgil, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back up and then we see... So essentially retraces back up, retests one more time, and then starts going down. So it did just take out the wickless over there. Sorry, it's what I call them. So there are 2 more to be taken out. Interesting. Still don't have a first presented. This is actually freaking going back bob to bob. This might chop bob to bob the whole freaking day. If it does that, I'm gonna be upsetty spaghetti. This one's much decent price stuff. I see 26700 sell off basically. Alrighty then, not that. That is the 5-minute candle. I know, the 5-minute is just insane. Check out this 5-minute. This doji, it's chin-chilling between the 2 bob levels right now. Literally, chin-chilling between them. So it's still respecting that 930 level. Back to the 1 minute. And then 500. Bought at 688, no TP. Louis, you really think this is just gonna keep on going now? Hey, Mashak, what's up? If this one sells off there, then Bitcoin sells off at 7174. Hey, folks! Can I scalp the market? I mean, I don't know if... Of course, bob to bob. I don't know if what I do is scalping, but... Yeah. I'm a day trader. Hey Kwon, what's up? How you doing? Happy Friday, guys. Okay, set TP at 800. If this goes back down, I'm going to have a little mini heart attack. When I say if this goes back down, I mean if it goes back down to the bob level. What you do is scalping. Okay, there we go. Yeah, some people have a little bit of arguments with regards to, do I scalp or do I not scalp? Okay. Struggling to break slightly there. Oh, no, we still do. Sorry, my brain malfunctioned for a second. I was like, wait, did I miss the first presented? We have yet to have a first presented fair value gap. Still. That wick's not promising. I might take it to that 26323 and then just gonna trap people. Then shoot down hard towards 2240. 2240. Virgil, I'm sorry. 2240? That is insane. You think it's gonna drop that far? What is giving you that idea? Anyways, oops, small scalp along. Oop. this 15-minute bullish. You didn't take the... Well, no, I don't see a trade being taken here. This is Bob's chart, by the way, guys, if anyone was wondering. Wow. Okay. Oh? Taking a trade on my phone is not ideal. Wait, wait, wait. You actually took a little trade? That is amazing. Well, a little whoop there for OTT. A little whoop for anyone that maybe actually got some green now. Well done. Nicely done. I see many trades with that setup. Which setup? The bob to bob level? You are not wrong. The bob to bob is insane. Honestly, so green I don't have to trade New York. Wow, okay. You might be right. It may just chop between the levels until later. I have a sneaky suspicion it's going to. Which sucks for me, you know, I can't trade range, but if we get some more confirmations for bob to bob, maybe I can get some in. Let's see though. Yeah, a little 500 bucks. Oh, is that all? Oh, whatever, OTT. On CFDs. Just a little 500 bucks, whatever, whatever. Ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Okay. 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 I got all excited for nothing. Not even close. Okay. I know I'm saying okay a lot. Sorry, guys. Just 2 hours, King 250. What was your criteria for entry? The order block? Bought again, 699 flat. Louis, what's giving you this is going up vibes? Gonna go to 26323. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm surprised it's this high right now, to be fair. My Bitcoin prediction, I have no idea. I have no clue what Bitcoin looks like. Yeah, 15-minute fair value gap on ES, 1 minute CSD. Noise. See how it goes, 3 p.m. reversal final. Okie dokie. Okay, so you took a little ES scalp. Oh, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Nice though, still. Green is green. That is awesome. Bitcoin is about to hit weekly high in a few minutes. I know what Bitcoin is, I just don't bother looking at it. There's a difference, Explorer. I know what Bitcoin is, just never look at it. They don't trade it. Seven 200. There, thanks, Virgil. There we go. Virgil's got us. Virgil's giving us all the updates. Come on, please give us something good. Still no first presented. Maybe it's just teasing people. I feel like it's just... Oh, man. When I saw this rubbish, I flipping knew that New York was gonna be choppy. Dagnabbit. Hey, go have fun. What's up? How you doing? I feel like market has to pull back most of the time. It's still going back up if it's just forming a high-low. If ES didn't give me the... Oh, I'm gonna take it on NQ now. Wait for manipulation. I feel bullish. Well, I think we're just gonna have to sit and wait right now. I think that's all we can do. But let me. This is bugging me. They just asked me about my horse's eye. Okay, done. I'm good. Happy Friday. I'm good. Go have fun. Are you good? Not gonna lie. Using unicorn entry was a good play. I'm taking more trades at the same time, not missing trades because a unicorn didn't form. So OTT, what's your win rate at now, by the way? Out of curiosity, if you don't mind me asking. You know, I'm just a curious little human being. Bob to Bob? Yes? Yes, potentially. See if it's going to respect 50% of this wick, but potentially Bob to Bob here. Sure, I don't even know where I would have put entry for that one though. Ooh, maybe a decent entry would have been at the low here. I think it's going to range between these two Bob levels for a while. Bob, I don't know if you're still watching this, but did you take that? Yeah, taking it here would have been the way to go. Unicorn win rate is 86 and CISD is sitting on 80. Damn, look at you go, OTT. But you're also being very strict with your trades. Like, I mean, didn't you only have one trade last week? No? 2 trades last week? Bob to Bob again. See what we do here. Looking for 5, 6, 7. If I was more of a gambling person, I would have hit the buy button now. Seeing this rejection back up. Oh man. Took a sell at 265.50. See what it does at this little bit of an order block, a little bit of a rejection, but then is it going to go back up to touch back into Bob to Bob? Here's steady sell of hard. Oh man. But don't be fooled with the high win rate. It's the partial. Oh, and realistically, I'm looking around 60. I mean, still OTT. That's a lot of decent green, right? Man, maybe I need to become a gambling man and just start. Said if I had bought their TP up here, I would be feeling pretty good right now. Bitcoin is hitting high now. Nice. 200 points away from all-time high. I know. Don't do it. I'm just saying, if I was. Mother fluffer, man. Decent rejection, possibly back down again. No ways. If it does, I feel like it's pushing it. One-way ticket to Tuesday. Bitcoin took all my stop loss. Bitcoin will not go down. Oh no! Sorry. Hi, Tubeling! Market showing me serious hands. What did it do? Your highball. I love it. Oh wait! I didn't even clock the first presented fair value gap here. Might be. To be fair, it's not really like the market respected it that much either. But it's good to take note of it. Loki correlates with this one. Okay, let's see what we get. Maya, how's it going? I heard you asked about my win rate. Have you guys found anything worth your while today? I know a few. Well, OTT had a win. Anyone else? Who else has had a whoop whoop? Please be. Please be. I don't use leverage. It's 100 points so far. Hey, James, nice. I cannot believe myself. Every single setup this week failed. No way, Zutumaling. What happened? It happens though, right? Learning streaks happen. I don't call them losing streaks. I call them learning streaks, but learning streaks are a thing. They're a pain in the butt, but they are a thing. I'm done for the month, guys. See y'all next month at the monthly low if Bitcoin hits 45k. 10 a.m. reversal possible. Ooh. I didn't even clock how close we were to. What the heck happened to the time? What? I've been so like focused on this that I didn't even realize what time it was. How has it basically been 30 minutes already? That is insane. What's up, Dom? How you doing? Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm sighing very deeply at whoa. I'm sorry, did that spread just say negative? I'm gonna have to rewind this and see what that's... Did that spread just say -6? What did I just see? Did that spread just say -6? I swear it did. I mean, it's a pretty decent rejection off of that first presented right there. Oh yeah, I'm not wrong because no ways I am in shock as I type this. No, Ichibalink, don't worry. I've been there. Trust. That March month was rough. I literally sat there and it was to the point that I was actually looking at different strategies and I was like, nah. I am just the problem. JP, I guess. Okay, 5 minutes to go. What the hatedly day was that? Did you guys see that? Did you see the spread saying negative? -6. I swear it said -6. I'm gonna have to try and find or rewind the video and find that again. Why are we ranging? Why do we have to do this today? Come on. Just technically leverage. I guess. Not a hectic amount though. I guess losing is part of the process. Exactly. Because it's not a loss, it's a lesson. Like I said, trust, March was rough. It's when I started trying to learn these bob to bob levels. So speaking of, if I did the bob to bob, I would have had 1, 2, 3, 4 wins right now. Would I? Definitely 1 here. That just shot up too quickly. 2. I really wanted to order in. Yeah, I just wanted to do a freaking market buy. So maybe 3. If I did the bob to bob levels, maybe 3. Which is, I mean, that's still insane. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go before 10 a.m. and then we will see what happens. We might just be chip chopping today. Dom, you still say the short's coming? In yeah, 2.5 minutes, I guess. Guys, I'm gonna plop the Discord up here. If you guys want to join, you are more than welcome to. Please, like, pretty please, just be aware that there are scammers out there and they're so irritating. It's not even funny. They are so irritating. Sorry, I was chatting to now Riz on Discord and he sent me there's like 2 people that have already tried to contact him pretending to be me. It's so irritating. I will not send you guys a friend request. I will not send you a DM straight off the bat. That's weird. You guys are more than welcome to pop me a message. Super happy to do that. But yeah, just be aware. But you guys are more than welcome to join if you want to. Hey Samsung, what's up? How you doing? You also think a short is coming, or are you asking if a short is coming? 2 minutes to go. Well, I guess 1.5 rather. Jeez, ES doesn't want to tag me in and it's pumping. So you're still looking for a long. OTT, I love how you started the session saying, shorts, let's do this. And I guess long is the way to go. Well, 45 seconds to go to see what 10 a.m. brings. Hey Gok, what's up? How you doing? A lot of people leaning towards shorty shorts on their way, but I guess, again, trend is friend. I have yet to have an A+ setup though. Still. So I'm sitting and waiting, which is lots of fun. Shorting all-time highs, just asking to be stopped out. Seven seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess the new hourly and I kind of thought something, but maybe not. No, apparently not. It's fine. Trend is short. No, trend is not short. Samsung, trend is not short right now. Okay, we know I don't mess with this. Here we go. Now I might be able to get something. Just gonna watch ES. Make sure. OTT ES is at all-time highs, right? Just confirming. Asking for a friend. Now, sugar honey iced tea. I don't like where the entry is. I like where the stop loss is though. It's a bit of a meh. Bit of a mixed bag over here. Your entry is terrible. Entry there is still terrible. Damn. Come on, give me a good trade. Sugar honey iced tea. Wow, okay, the buyers are on fire right now on ES. So I'm waiting for NQ to follow. It's just not following. Does that mean we actually have a few more sellers on NQ? Probably, yeah. Remember to not be greedy. Good position? What's a good position, Samsung? Not a plus for me. Short now, my trading view is loading about 1 tick movement every 10 seconds. What? Microwave? What? Why? What? That doesn't sound right. Is it lagging? What's happening? Also, what's up, Microwave? Are you good? That's more promising. Problem is it's about to break the high on ES. Let's see what this does. Let's see how this looks actually on the 1 minute. What's my headphones name? My headphones name? Are headphones supposed to have a name? Sucks, close the limit on ES, about to hit new all-time highs, but I got a win, can't be mad about today. No! I'll take, again, are headphones supposed to have a name? What do you mean? Oh, okay, no. Tapped into the high on ES. See what it does here. Bob to Bob trade, that would have been the entry. Shall we ask Bob? Basically, price movement stops and then glitches and goes to prices, and when there are sensor gaps, my chart is refreshing price every 2 seconds. That's not every 10 seconds. That's not good though. What the heck, man? Why is it doing that? Am I the only one that's low-key keen on long still? It's quite a big rejection off of this fair value gap here. There's a bit of an inverse fair value gap as well, so that makes sense. Another rejection. My effect occluded. I freaking saw that, Mikuave. To say I am disappointed. I was about to pay it, trust. 100 points. Is this going to be the lower high confirmation? It's created a higher high on ES. On days like this, yo. See, is it the same setup that Bob had? Not quite. That's definitely a different setup. Nah. A little bit of a struggle bus going on over here. Sugar honey iced tea. Remember how I had this set up here? That would have been a cheeky trade, just saying. Careful, look like we're about to go bearish on the 5-minute candle. We took a short position here. Also, it's because my laptop is cooked. It's actually starting to piss me off. But now it's so quickly. Miko, when's your new computer coming? I know it's ordered, and but when is it arriving? Hey, Sprecky, what's up? How you doing? Are you doing good? Ooh, okay. The fight going on here. Sure, waiting for A+ setups is something. Yeah, it really, really is. Oh. Wait. Looks like we might get something now. And never mind. Let's get children's in. Doing alright, really loving the music. Ah, thanks, Spracky. I got you, I got you. I'm just sitting here waiting for an A+ setup to present itself to me, which it is not doing. So that's fun for me. Dagnabbit, maybe I should have done this Bob's Bob level. Oh well. And now this is just running away. Solidly running away. Hey, Prince of Pips. No, I do take a break in between. What's up? I've only been streaming for like an hour now. Hey, Joy. How you doing? For anyone that's just hopped on. Oh.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I mean, sure, if I had traded here, can you imagine? Pity. Oh well. This thing starts dropping, it's gonna start dropping properly. Targeting the high, that would have been a goodie. Sorry. Me and Bob are discussing trades while we're going. Pity. This hasn't come down far enough either. But I do still think this thing might be going up. But I can figure out. Trying to get the music changed. Too late, Mikuave. We already know I'll be in so much trouble. I get it. That's the. I get it. Yeah. It low-key is actually OTT, and you know what? It's not fair. Oh well. Ooh, I think the sellers might be coming into play soon. Like, this low-key still feels risky, but... Do I do it? Do I not do it? I would lose... Problem is I lose all the profit that I gained today if that one does not work out. It's going to wreck buyers before going up. Hey Samsung, I'm on the 1 minute. Oh, thanks, Spracky. It looks like it's consolidating. I know. I think it is. I think this is just going to be a consolidation day today. Which kind of sucks. Solidly sucks. You use the 30 minute? Nice. Hey, I'll go trade. What the? How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
We've lost momentum to the buy side now. Doesn't mean it's not gonna happen. Should have seen my trade this morning during London took like 45 minutes. Nancy, how do you understand the future value that Kodak's pharmaceutical and battery business will generate? I do not. I think that's the answer to that one. Hey Asmal, what's up? How you doing? Or just Azam, sorry. How goes it? How goes it? Ew, we're losing. Hello. Oh, okay, I've got hellos. I've gotten hellos here. We're losing that push now. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a trade in this New York session. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Just sugar honey iced tea. I'm low-key curious about something. I'm gonna quickly check something out. Hey, Teppo, what's up? How you doing? How's everybody going? Do 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 do. Let's see here. Hey, hey! Getting there. One oh so slow trade at a time. I forgot to put up my weekly stats. I'm up $88 this week. I know that's like nothing, but from losing oh so much. Literally, do you want to hear last week's stats? Oh my gosh. I mean, sorry, not last week, last month's stats are disgusting. It needs a trend line. Looks like it's going on a trend line. Trend line. Slowly building the confidence again. It's the only way to do it, right? At the end of the day. Oh, I guess you're not wrong. It low-key does look like it's going on a trend line. Don't tell Jordy. Like that. I'm not really good with trend lines. We have completely lost momentum now, though. Seppo, how are you doing? Have you taken any trades? What's the plan? It does mean if it breaks this trend line, I think this thing is gonna dump. Yep. I could be wrong, though. Let's see. Oh, we have lost all momentum now. Seriously? Seriously? Okay. Do you know what I think we're gonna have to do? I think we're gonna have to do it. I think we're gonna have to do butterfly of the day. Just while we wait for a little bit more momentum to come around. I mean, what time are we looking at now? 19. Maybe at 1:30 we might see something decent again. Patience pays, right? Patience pays, patience pays, patience pays. I just have to keep reminding myself about that. We are at a deciding point. Okay, butterfly of the day, let's do this thing. Okay. I'm gonna stop there. Oh! Oh man, I chose a goodie for you guys today. Woo! Aren't you guys just lucky? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this one? I don't think you are ready for this butterfly. Damn, we've had bangers today. Flame. Whoops. Fat fingers. Oh, come on, the pictures in this look so much more. I mean, it's still pretty cool. It's still cool as heck. Look at that. And this one. This is it as well. How cool is this butterfly of the day? Absolutely. Let me quickly check the charts. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. I did low-key say that if it broke this trend line, it's gonna go down. Oh, that would have been an instantaneous stop loss. Was there? Not so much. Interesting. Huh. Okie dokie then. That would have been instant KO for me. Oh my gosh. Over high looking like it's going to go. Well, let's see. Let's see what it does here now. If this is the case, then lesson learned. My bad, my bad. Okay, quickly back to butterfly of the day. So, a flame-boarded emperor. That is cool as heck, just saying. So the wingspan is 65 to 95 millimeters. Damn, this is a big boy. Oh, this is a big butterfly. This is cool as heck. Anyways. Appears all black on the wing, but close range, orange-red borders visible in flight. Resembles a pearl emperor, but more conspicuous. So distribution. Oh, this thing is very rare. Distribution is, it's a tropical species extending marginally into South Africa, coastal forest and woodland, only in extreme in KwaZulu-Natal, Kosi Bay, Tembe Elephant Park, and Imanguzi Forest, Habitat is forest edges, flatlands, and the coast. Flight period, it is double brooded, so October, November, and Feb to June. Oh, it's a goodie. It is a goodie. It's a goodie. Okay. Well, I closed the damn book. I forgot to read its Latin name. My bad. My bad. Maybe it's this one. Characus Protocellea. Nailed it. Okay, now we can refocus on this. Down we go. Down we go. I think down we go. Let's do this. Okay, back to the charts. Double top on the 5-minute chart. You think it's gonna make a double top on the 5-minute chart, Bob? Is that what you're saying? Hey, Lost. What's up? It's just consolidating on ES, literally going sideways. Short at 735. Okay. And you're doing a 1 to 2R? Nice. Okay, so Bob's in a short. Don't like that, don't like that, don't like that. Okay. About to create a double top on ES, by the way. I'm watching ES like a hawk right now. Didn't quite make it, but it's about to create a double top on ES. Then we might see this thing go down. Hey George, what's up? How you doing? Hey, yeah, the diva's not moving. Nah, the diva's going sideways. Again, I'm not really surprised. I did low-key expect it. But I guess it is what it is. Ooh, okay, so this is Bob's trade right now. Wait, are you in it properly? Or is this just what you're thinking about, Bob? Let's see. I think buying's still good, but nothing wrong with wanting. Nope. I'm assuming you meant waiting for more confirmation. Hey Diogo, what's up? How you doing? Extreme cold. Hi. 1.3 RR. I didn't miss better. Oh, you did. Did you? You can draw these butterflies to your house by putting out rotting banana plates. Oh, yay! Really? That's how you draw them to your house? Banana plates or banana peels? I'm assuming you meant banana peels. Okay, what did Bob say? Ooh, okay, Bob's in it. Awesome. Seven days without a losing trade, 10 trades in total. Diogo, you are brave for saying that on a live, just saying. Efrain, what's up? I'm so sorry I missed your message there. How you doing? How you doing? Are you going on a trip to Poland? That is awesome. Hi guys!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Unless you want to use dung. That draws them too. Watch dung though. I mean, you gotta be a bit more specific. A specific animal dung, you know. My school's going to full pay everything super mega. What? Is it like a school trip to... What? It's a school trip to Poland? Or what? I have so many questions. Are you doing like a foreign exchange type of thing? Okay. Still no A+ for little old me. Still low-key climbing on ES though. Interesting. Just gonna have to sit and wait. I don't know if I'm gonna get a trade in today, guys. Pity. Dom, you say to the Bob level down we go now. Basically back to VWAP. Is that what you're thinking? I'm thinking I need this to stop respecting the 50% of this Bob level so nicely. It's making me tempted to take a trade to the buy side. Which I know goes against everybody's opinion of what this is gonna do now. I am! What's up, Hassie? What's up? How you doing? Are you also South African? Is that why you recognize the accent? All the South Africans recognize the accent. Okay, why are you lying? Sorry, why is my multi-chat lying to me? Just looking at my long swing trade on ES. And how's it? How's it looking? Yeah. Nice, Hassie. What part of SA are you from? And are you also a trader? How long have you been trading for? What's your thing? $700 is key area for continuation of shorts. Did that send? Oh, there we go. It did. It just took a moment. From cutting? No ways. Noise, Hassie. I'm about to actually pop back up that side of the world. I lived in Gauteng, moved down to KZN for a year, about to move back to Gauteng. If you know the place, let me know. This was the kind of time I love fermenting fruit. My ninjas like to party, apparently. Damn, Louis. Up 3k. You think short is coming? Good question. Who thinks a short is coming? I know Bob thinks a short is coming. He's in a short. A lot of people think shorts are coming. Been trading for about 12 or 13 years now. What? And I'm assuming successful, else I can't imagine you continuing for 12 to 13 years of unsuccessful trading. Okay, so full range. The way to go. When did you feel confident first try for funded challenge back then? Well, this is my first funded account. Do you mean for my first eval? Is that what you're asking, Extreme? Successful only for the past 4 years. Wow. Wow, what was the... If you don't mind me asking, this is super interesting for me. What was the, like, aha moment? Does that make sense? Lava Turtle, welcome back. How you doing? I'm still targeting 800 stop loss at 500 burn secure. Damn. I'm self-taught, went to YouTube University. I love it. I love it. Okay. Liz, what's up? Down, you are also thinking down? Loki looks like a double top. I'm saying down, but although if I'd taken any of the buys, it would have been a goodie. Well, minus that one that I had set up, but I used the wrong range. Should have used from down here. Lesson learned. But that means same would go for this. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Kept respecting the 50% there. It's okay, I'll play the stop loss noise. Are you ready? Are you ready for the stop loss sound? Just because it's so unhinged that it makes people feel better. No, you're not. My goodness. Everyone's so negative. Definitely not a loser. What's this look like on the 5 minute? Sugar honey iced tea. One minute. I'm not the biggest fan of this. That's better with regards to my stop loss. But if it makes it that far down, I don't know if I want to take that. It's like clearing on 5. Damn, look at you go, Louis. Nice. I'm just watching this and feeling very irritated right now. Because everything is low-key a B setup for me. I'm not getting any this is the trade moments. Does that make sense? You know when you see your setup and you just like, ah, there it is. I'm not having any of those. To be fair, ironically, the closest was this one. But I would have preferred entry up here for the continuation long, as you can see, right by that shelf. Nope. Hey Dash, what's up? How you doing? And I'm out. Sweet green morning. Nice, Louis. You get a whoop whoop. The street of next week. The street of what? The huh? Who? How? What? Whoop whoop to anyone that got a green. People make more money from B setups than A. I know. Hear me out. My plan is when I'm... How do I put this? When I'm at a more secure base in this funded account, then it would be to take B setups, but only one contract with the B setups, and then A setups I'll do normal risk, which is $200. That is the plan. But I have to get to that point first. I'm not at that point yet where that is an option. Shoot. You're welcome, Louis. Bitcoin crash. I still think it'll hit 800. I was just impatient. I mean, it's basically about to hit 800, to be fair. Oh, that's okay. Hey Samuel, what's up? How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on, hope you're missing. I nearly played you the wrong noise. Well, I'm gonna play it now because it would have been funny. Anyone that's just hopped on. It's not actually what I wanted to play. I wanted to play this.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Up we go. Double top? Question mark? Low-key looks like it. I'll send you a screenshot of the trade and see if you can spot what my confluences were. Go on then, Louis, let's see. Let's see, it's like a challenge. I love it. I love it. I'm all for challenges. If I wasn't, I would be doing the wrong thing right now. Okay. Did I or did I not say entry here would be really good? And it would have been a wick in. Oh, shoot, man. So ironically, this was the range. Whoa, here we go. Up, up, and away, apparently. Went and hit Bob level again. Are we gonna... We're just gonna keep going up? I think so. I think we're gonna just keep going up. Okay, then I'm gonna have a proper look later. I do see you sent it to me though. I'll have a look. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Yeah, there we go. Patience is key, Louis. Patience. I mean, look how long I was in that 1 to 2 hour trade this morning. Freaking 45 minutes for a scalp. My goodness. It's not been that long. Oi, bruv. What's up, bruv? Why are we bruving? Is it because I caps locked you? I did. I caps locked you. Did you see? Hey, Silverwing. Guys, before I forget, I'll do this once and then I promise that it's done. Just before I forget, because I think I'm actually gonna get one this weekend. So you must get your orders in. Just saying. Tradeify is now competing with Lucid, so Tradeify 3.0 is now a thing. Once off, so it's no longer a subscription based. It's a once-off payment for your eval, and that is that. And you can now get 25k. And so, you know, lowest used to be 50k, now you can get a 25k as well, which is freaking cool. But yeah, if you want a discount, you can obviously use my code. If not, it is what it is. I thought I would just mention that because I don't think a lot of people are aware of that super cool special. So moving on. Today's setup, not for me. That's okay, Dom. This was a great bob to bob. Could I ask? If I had taken the buy, to be fair, I see on the 5 minute it was a goodie. The 5 minute there, it would have been it. I was actually looking at the buy earlier and it would have taken me out. But I see 5 minute wise, that would have been the trade. May have gone there. Maybe should have. I was looking at the buy earlier where the entry, where was the entry? The entry was around here. It would have been a stop loss. There's been a few bob to bob bangers today. Bangers. I'm definitely going to get one and tell my friend. Aw, thanks, Louie. You're an absolute sweetie pie. Mad love to you. I hope you know that. Let's see if we get a retracement. Ugh, this thing is just going. Look at ES. Who's trading ES right now? What stopped me? Nothing. I think I was just really focused on something else. I forgot to check the 5 minute and that was that. I should have actually checked when I said it's rejecting nicely. I don't know if you remember, I even said it's rejecting nicely off this 50% of this bob level. I should have actually checked the 5 minute then because it would have given me the thumbs up to go bob to bob. Joy, and are you in on a trade? Because ES is just freaking pumping. This is a risky one. That's a very risky trade. I don't like this trade. I think I was walking my dog. Oh, that's okay. It's my swing trade. Hey Maya, hope you're having a good Friday. I'm Wade, how are you doing? How's it going? What a shame. "15 minutes until the new hour." saw white butterfly though. I tried to take a pic for you, but it was going pretty fast. Oh, that's okay, Louis. I appreciate that though. That is awesome. No, butterflies are quite difficult to take photographs of, hey? My trick is now I just take a video. Just freeze frame the video and go, here we go, good enough. Close enough. See here. I'm up a week's paycheck. Nice! In 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. That's fantastic. Wow. That's low-key better than nice. It's just a itty bit, a little bit. How much would this trade be? I'm trying to like check myself and be like, is this FOMO that's kicking in right now? Or is this actually a good trade? Part of me is thinking it's FOMO. I mean, it's not... Man. You know I don't like trading when it's in the grey area. Mother fluffer. Flew the dog chaser. That's why it flew away. Aw! That's hilarious. Meho. Pull back incoming. Good trading. What analysis am I using? What's up, David? How are you doing? I think I'll just let it run for a few weeks and just trade NQ on short term. Why not? Why trade all day? I do not trade all day. I do take a break. I traded London, took a good break, touched some grass, chilled, and 10:47. And now I've only been trading for like an hour and a half now. Definitely not the whole day. If I had, I may have caught more bangers. Shoot. Yeah, well, it is what it is. I'm thinking it's FOMO that's making me want to take this. Decent rejection, they offer the 50%. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what we get. 10:48. Okay. This thing is just going up, guys. Problem is I'm not seeing... what is FOMO? Fear of missing out. Basically, everyone else is getting good trades in, so I want to get a good trade in, so... You know, like, I want to get a trade in, so I'm trying to almost force a trade. Because you want to get the wins like everybody else is getting. You want to get them whoop whoops. It's for game more. I mean, why not Joy of Travel, right? Just do your scalps on NQ and keep your long-term one going. How do you have your long-term one going though? Do you have like a trailing stop? What's the plan with it? Is it in green, like you can't lose now? Yeah. How does it look? And these are now just too big for me to take these trades. Shoot. These trades are too big for me to take today. What a bummer. Okay. Well, we wait. Merbanana, are you good? Are you okay? You come up with the weirdest things. I hope you know that. Here we go. Question mark. I'm in green bean in this trade for the whole week. Damn. Brent has fallen. Bye-bye. Still going up, up and away. Wow. Just... wow. That's all I can say right now. Maya, the music is driving me crazy. The loop is too short. Good grief. I'm sorry. It's all I've got. Well, that's a lie, but last time I tried to change it, do you know how much I got yelled at? Do you know that I got yelled at and threatened with my life? How you doing, Ronan? Oh, sorry. Have you just been in the background there, like, all quiet? Waiting to yell at me. Rude. I think it'll go long on NQ. Well, I mean, it's still going. It is indeed still going. Absolute insanity. That is what today is. Just absolute insanity. Okay, well, I'm now on the 5 minute. Let's see what we get. Ah, shoot. I was gonna say maybe we trade a bob to bob level, but it's too late to take a bob to bob level. Oh, man. Good, work's almost done, then weekend. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, guys. What's everyone's plans for the weekend? You gonna chill? Gonna do something fun? My monthly level has been smashed through. I think Monday could bring some more profit taking, but wow, to the market response with Trump giving the terror. Anyways. I've a worldwide reach no one. Oh, wow, damn, Louis. So you have contacts in South Africa as well? Interesting. Who do you know in South Africa? Genuinely curious. No. Fair job playing Crimson. Ooh! That sounds cool. I haven't actually heard of that. So vegging out sounds like a plan. I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing. It was a long, very stressful 2 weeks. You guys know that I've just been like exhausted ever since dropping the horses off. I've been like dead. My talent. I'm so bored, not even online chess. Wow, Mikuabe. No ways. Have you taken any trades, Miku? No, I guess it's not ideal to take trades, right? Naga, he does, and that's all I need. They're called Chris. Do you know what I feel like is valid for that, Louis? In with 3 cons long. Okay. We might see a little bit of a... Oh, sorry, I actually can't stop, but we might see a little bit of a retracement happening now. Oopsie daisies, there we go. So what did I say? This one here. But it was just too big for me to take. Let's see if this would have been a whoop whoop or not. I'm sorry, Mikuave. Oh, good grief. Oh, is that the one you're talking about? I have been through a lot, Mikuave. Be nice to me. Send them off. Right? What I like about Maya, she always believes in fairy tale. Wow, thank you. I mean, that was a very big drop down. Like, if this low-key works out, I think I'm gonna just call it for the day and go and sell. I feel like I've missed so many trades today, but all of them were valid for missing. Like I said, this was just more than I was willing to risk, unfortunately. It's actually a type of game Olden Day has Dragon. Ooh, nice, okay. Louis, it's our government. Oh, what's up, Samuel? Thank you. You're so sweet. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Okay. No. Hey, Samuel, I'm on the 1 minute currently. You know, I didn't know that refugee thing was still happening. I had no clue. Well then. I think, yeah, I would have gone break even by now. Oh, I am going to go and sell hardcore after this. Wow, should have taken this trade. Yeah, like I said, I most likely would have gone break even here. Just to protect capital. Okay, that's fun. Doesn't that go against your strat since the last range didn't cover 50%? This range? Yeah, theoretically. Yeah. But sometimes when it runs away like this, it's not gonna come back at all. How does the full range look, actually? See, this is where there's a little bit of like a debate in my brain, but you are correct. Mikwave, you are correct. Technically, this would be the better entry for the full range, the 0.5 at 777. I just liked the confluences here with the top, the pivot point or the shelf. I call, you know, me, I call it the shelf. Shelf, fair value gap, and a little bit of an order block. But looks like would have been a rejection or a break even at least regardless. What's up, Jade? How are you doing? Backward trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? Actually, it's not even. Yeah, Louis, I have thoughts about that, but like Ronan says, let's not get political about that one. I wonder if we could stop being sneaky here. No, don't be sneaky. Take a short to the 50%. No, nothing happened, Mikuave, don't worry. I know everyone hears that name and they go, oh, no, what's gonna happen now? Okay, 11? Is it gonna be 11 reversal? Or is it now just lunchtime and it's gonna chill here in the bob level? Potentially just chill here in the bob level. That's what I think. Ah, you know what? We did butterfly of the day, but we have not done Fun Fact Friday. We have not done Fun Fact Friday. Now that it's gonna chinchill a little bit, I think. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but let's do Fun Fact Friday. For those that didn't know, this was butterfly of the day. How cool. Flame bordered emperor. Amazing. Okay, now moving on. Fun Fact Friday, Fun Fact Friday, Fun Fact Friday. Okay, let's see. The new thing is, because this generator low-key sucks, only when it's a fun fact do I stop. Exploding head syndrome is a condition in which a person often hears loud crashing noises when falling asleep or waking up. See, that's not bad. That's not bad. I didn't know that was a thing. I'm gonna keep doing this. Okay, no, we're still good. Yeah, okay, I'm watching the charts in betwixt this. So exploding head syndrome, it's a condition where a person often hears loud crashing noises when falling asleep or waking up. That must be so irritating. Can I just say? Huh. Okay, let's see. In 2012, Papa John's was sued for sending late night spam texts and settled for 1.65 million after people demanded over 250 million in damages. Also, I'm sorry, are those beans? Have they put beans on this pizza? Why are there beans on the pizza? Screw that. Why are there beans on this pizza? I'm sorry, what the heck? Okay, thanks, Ronan. I'm glad it's not just me. Is this a thing that I do not know about? People get angry about pineapple on pizza, but I see beans. Like baked beans? Why are there beans on the pizza? Guys, what? Can someone help me out here? Objectively, where's the pineapple? Ronan's gonna hate me. I like pineapple on pizza, but beans, I feel like I have to draw a line at beans on pizza. That is not okay. Let's check the charts. Going back up. Okay, then. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Then we're going to focus back on the beans because I'm not okay with that. Ew, never mind. We're at a bit of a deciding point here. Let's see what happens. Those aren't beans. Those are peanuts. I'm sorry. Peanuts? Peanuts. Peanuts on pizza. Peanuts on pizza? I'm having a hard time processing what I've just... Yeah. I'm processing. I'm gonna sit here and process things for a minute. I feel like that was the fun fact. Not even about the Papa John's thing. The fact that there is either beans. It looks like beans. I'm sorry. This looked like freaking baked beans to me. That looks like baked beans. It even has like the sauce from the baked beans. But you were saying that that's not beans. That is peanuts. Why are there peanuts on pizza? You know what? That's enough internet for today. That's enough internet for today. I think we're done. I think we're done. We can go back to the charts now. That hurt my brain. I don't even know if that was a fun fact. That was a sad fact. That was a sad fact Friday. This market is so confusing. What's up? Rachel, why is it computing? Why is it confusing to you? See where this decides to break. It's either gonna start pumping back up again, or we're gonna get our push down soon. I think it might just chop until the PM session, seeming as it's lunch. Hey, Nux! So I want to call you Nux, but what's up, Nux? How you doing? It was weird tilt, so I got a slice. It was so good. Did I say confuting? Did I say Aww! The indicator! Shout out for the super chat! You're amazing! Boom. The indicator, Elgo. Shout out for the super chat. Do you know what you get? When you super chat, do you know what you get? You get special treatment. You get... Shout out to you. Thank you. Thanks for the donor. Mad love, mad appreciation. A hard 1 week, making all-time highs the next week. Yep. It's called drama in the world. That's all I'm gonna... That's just drama. I'm still holding... Damn, porn hungry. Okay. Have you just been trailing your stop loss, or what have you been doing? I feel like this might be the consolidation after the push. I mean, there's a big consolidation, bit of a push, retest, and we went off, and now we might just be consolidating again. Wow. What are you barking at? I feel like I should maybe go. Okay, let me go and see. Let's go see what we're barking at. I'll be right back. I'm alive, nobody panic. Nobody panic. I'm happy to see a girl with trading skills. Oh, what's up, Global World Times? You know, there's a few girls out there with good trading skills. I mean, like, Tanya, Iris is also really good. I don't know many others, I'm so sorry. But those two, Tori, I mean, she's doing well for herself. She doesn't trade live though, so it's a little bit difficult for me to say that one. Dogs that bark on every reload, I'll stand on that until the day my dog stops barking. And then what would he be after that, Louis? Florita, what's up? That's a cool name. Oh, double top though. Maybe we start to see a little shorty short here? Sorry, that little was because I'm sad that I feel like I've missed some banger trades, but it is what it is. Can you teach me trading because I'm a beginner? To be fair, global. I'm so sorry. It's Friday. My English has depleted. Apparently my body is malfunctioning. Global World Times. There we go. Nailed it. I can teach you basics because I am still a beginner myself. I would be very hypocritical if I'm trying to teach you these amazing things where I'm still pretty new. You'll be a shameless freeloader. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Okay, let's see what we get here. Oh. Looks like it wants to tippy tap. Okay. Aw, Global World Times, you're amazing. Oh, you're out, Ronan. Cheers, you're gonna go have some bries? So I'm being very stereotypical of South Africans now. It's just because I have not had a bri in over a year. Which I know is like disgusting, right? That is like blasphemy. You know what else is like? I am bad. I've not had a bri in forever, and I'm a South African. I am a South African that has never been to Cape Town. I'm gonna be like shamed for that. Absolute shame. Who am I? Yes, say. Hey, the indicator algo, what's up? How you doing? You'll be reported. Why the way? Are you asking by the way? Oh, whoopsie daisies, my bad. I accidentally clicked spacebar. Here we go. Me thinks this is going to be consolidating a little bit. That's 11:11 EST time. Make a wish. Nope, it's past 11:11. Don't make a wish anymore. It's done. It's past. Okay. I'm gonna give this a few more minutes. I feel like this might just be consolidating until the PM session though. I think it's done its move. Fries and furs, I'm not gonna lie, I wanna try and make one here. So I'm gonna look up the ingredients and how to make one. Oh, Louis, give it a go. A bri. Oh, I love it. Yeah, you have to make bri broodjies. So basically bri sandwiches as well. They have to, it's like a must. And you have to have garlic bread. Wow, there's a lot of things that go into a bri. In price action. Oh, so I use kind of a bit of a hybrid. I use market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of smushed together. Hey, Blue Khan, what's up? So, which prop firm do I suggest? So, I mean, I've definitely been leaning a lot more towards Tradeify, and they have some awesome specials at the moment. Especially because it's a once-off payment. Normally, you'd have to pay a monthly for an eval, and. It's a once-off payment currently because they are competing with, I think, you know, the top runner prop firms. So I think they're competing with Lucid and stuff. So they're actually having some awesome, here, I'll show you. So they've kind of made a Tradeify 3.0, which is very, very cool, where it's no more subscriptions, and obviously you get a journal with it as well. It's really, really awesome. And it's a 40% discount on all accounts until the end of the month. So you can go do your research, obviously. I think that's the key thing. I can tell you what I think is good, but I think at the end of the day, you have to do your own research as well, see if it suits you. If you want to know all the prop firms that are SA friendly, you can check in the description below. Oh, I just haven't... Damn, I haven't added the new one. I forgot about the new one, which is the new one that just became... Let me try and find it. Give me 2 seconds. Alpha. There we go. Alpha. I haven't added Alpha. Alpha is now also allowed in South Africa, which is awesome. There we go. So Alpha Futures is as well. With all of them, you can use my code if you want to get that discount. Obviously, you don't have to. You do what you want to do, by the way. not. Cheers, Green Globe. Have fun. I'm gonna look that, make all that, send you a pick. Hopefully there ain't any SA ingredients I can't source here. I mean, I don't think you'll be able to source Boerewors. I don't think you guys are Boerewors there, to be fair. Yeah, you are welcome. Are you South African? Blue kinda sus though. There we go. It took me a minute to read your... What? Blue kinda sus though. What's wrong with blue? I have so many questions. What is wrong with blue? Anyways, whatever. I see we are just consolidating. But yeah, I mean, if you also want more updates, you're more than welcome to join the Discord. I need to be better at updating on Discord. Only green matters. Hey, I love that. You know what? You got me there. I look into trade barrels and yeah. If it's not considered, I might grab one. Oh, nice, Bob. Well, let me know. Let me know what you think. If you agree that it's good or meh. I'm curious about your opinions on it. You remember Among Us game? Oh, yeah. What the heck is... Oh! Boerewors! Boerewors. Kind of like a sausage. I don't know how to explain what Boerewors is. Let me maybe Google it. But oopsie daisies, that's not what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do was this. If anyone wants to join the Discord, more than welcome. Please, please, guys. Okay. I will not message you first, and I will not send you a friend request. If you get one, it is not me. It is... them scammers. They are everywhere. It is so irritating. I apologize about that. I wish I could get rid of them. Unfortunately, I cannot. Ooh, my caps lock is still on from yelling at Bob. So here we go. Louis, you were asking about Boerewors. This is it. So you see it's kind of like a sausage. Boerewors, a type of sausage which originated in South Africa. It's an important part of South African... Oh, we're going into Wikipedia now. Okay. Cuisine and is popular across southern Africa. The name is derived from the Afrikaans word boer, so literally a farmer, and bors sausage. So it's like farmer sausage. I don't... that... I'll play that sound later. You know what sound I'm thinking about. At least 90% meat or fat from beef, pork, lamb, or goat. The other 10% is made up of spices and other ingredients. Not more than 30% of the meat content may be fat. Boerewors may not contain whatever that is. Other than that, what? Other than the casings. Yeah. There we go. You guys get a little bit of... There's a fun fact for the non-South Africans. That's what Boerewors is. Yeah. Okay, I see we're still just going sideways right now. Are you looking for longs? Nah, I think I'm actually... I might be calling it. I think this might go sideways until the PM session, in all honesty. This is coiling right now. But I suspect this is actually going to start dropping. I'm not going to lie. That means farm. Hey, now I know why they call the farmers poor. Hey, there we go, Louis. Gonna be hard to beat. Lucid payouts are fast. True. It's gonna range till 2 p.m. Okay. In that case, I might. Oh wait, it's starting to drop on ES. ES, that was a goodie. Struggling to break below here though. Okay, I think I might be calling it. I think we're going to be stuck in a range now, unfortunately. So, no trade for me. Unlux, there was one potential over here. If I'd done the correct range, it actually would have been a winner-winner chicken dinner. But I didn't like the amount. But we're going to start again Monday. We are in the green for today, so I can't be upset about that. I did check. I think I'm up $88 this week. To be fair, for me currently, that's really not bad. and slowly start pushing this again. Slowly being the keyword. Slowly but surely going to start pushing this again. But then in that case, I think I'm going to call it, like I said, if you guys want to join the Discord, you can check it. It's in the description of all these videos. You can also check out the prop firms if you want some discounts, if you want to, I don't know, if you're just keen on prop firms. I think that's it. I think that's it from me. Okay, have an amazing weekend, guys. I love you guys madly. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Louis. You know what? $80. I don't mean to brag here. I love you. You guys are too funny. I love you guys. Okay, I really, really do. I will be back. You know, no more missing days for the rest of this month. I will be back next week. We've got this. We're gonna have a great old time. I'm excited. I love you guys madly. Trade safe. I might hop on the charts this weekend, depending, and do a little bit more back testing, because if the charts are now back to normal, we can start getting some more trades in. Again, I'm slowly just building my confidence back up. That's where we're at. That's where we're at. Okay. I love you guys. Trade safe. Have an amazing weekend. I'll see you on Monday, Sunday, Monday, depending on where you are. Okay. I love you guys. Trade safe. Bye. And